Hi, I'm John. It's my rapid fire. Basically, I'm happy with just an old beat and I'm not afraid of total. Again and again. That'd just be a flip of a coin. I think I prefer a kitchen. I've heard them, I'd say ludicrous? I don't know, just because it sounds funny. Homer Simpson. Steak.
Sauce.
On a steak? Nah, one if, depends on how good a steak is. Family vacation or for myself?
Family.
Beach.
For yourself.
Camping. I don't like ice cream.
Sweets, any kind?
I like sherbet, but not ice cream.
Italian ice?
Yes. Yeah, it's getting to work with the guys I work with. I mean, you can work doing the same thing anywhere else, doesn't matter, but when you're with the right people, having a good time,